And we start for Aquarius. I'm pulling out three cards from my tarot deck plus an angel message. So three tarot cards and an angel message. Let's see what's in store for you for November 2016. The first card that I have for you is Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, it says, this month your nature is gonna be very specific. It's gonna be very sorted. There were times where you used to crib about each and everything, or you used to just worry. But this month, somewhere there has been a certain change in your nature. Change in your nature, as in, you've become a mature person. A certain situation that had come in your life which has made you a mature person, which has made you take life very seriously. You have been just being a person who's not at all worried about anything, just it's just about me. No, so certain situation has come in your life which has made you understand how important life is. You have started respecting, valuing every single thing or every single person around you. Again, Queen of Cups, which says, you have really understood the meaning of life. Ever since something has come your way, or stuck in your head, or the situation was that had come to you was not a good situation, because the colors that we can see here are dull, which says a bad situation was there in your life. But that situation also was meant to be. Why? Because that's made you grow as a person. That's made you understand the concept of every single thing. You have become more logical. Whatever you used to speak earlier wasn't logic, but now anything that you speak is logic. You understand things and then you land up onto a conclusion. Now the last card, still, it's not like you've changed totally as a person, but yeah, even now when it comes to making a decision, you still go blank. You still feel there is a need to go up to certain people in your life, have their opinions before you make a decision. So this is a certain thing that also favors you. Tarot card isn't telling you that any decision you make, you have to just have your own opinion. No, because tarot cards are telling people whom you trust are worth trusting. So any decision you make, their opinion also matters. It matters because they are thinking about you and helping you out take that decision. So go ahead, you are absolutely on the correct track and everything right now is working well for you. Let's see what the angels have to say. Angels are saying, look inside yourself. All this while you were just worried about certain things. You were just totally a person who wasn't bothered, like I said in the tarot reading also. But angels are now also telling you, look inside yourself. There's so much a different person altogether. You will actually know yourself better. So this is what angels and tarot are giving you, the message for the month. Take it really seriously and you will find a better person within you. So yeah, this was all for you guys. Stay tuned, stay connected for my upcoming videos. Thank you.